Have you ever wondered why we chase dreams so hard, yet when we finally reach them, something still feels missing? Maybe it's not the dream that matters most, but the mindset behind it. The truth is, success isn't just about achieving goals. It's about understanding the mind that creates them. Because without that awareness, even your biggest win can feel strangely empty. Today, we'll dive deep into 10 powerful psychological paradoxes, real insights from neuroscience, that reveal how your brain can both guide you and deceive you. These paradoxes will help you see why your thoughts sometimes block your peace, and how to turn that pattern into growth. Let's begin this journey together. Chapter 1: The Effort Paradox. The more you try to control everything, the less control you actually feel. Your brain thrives on progress, not pressure. When you release control, you make space for clarity. Chapter 2: The Control Paradox. When you fight for control, you lose peace. But when you let go, you gain balance, and balance builds power. Chapter 3: Your Brain's Secret Night Shift. Every night, your brain cleans itself. Through the glymphatic system, it clears away mental noise, stress, and old emotions. It's not just sleep, it's self-renewal. Chapter 4: The Happiness Trap. The more you chase happiness, the faster it runs. But when you stop chasing, and simply allow yourself to be, happiness quietly returns. Mirror. Chapter 5: Your Biased Brain. You don't see the world as it is. You see it through your memories, beliefs, and fears. When you change your perspective, you change your entire experience of reality. Chapter 6: The 90/10 Emotional Rule. Only 10% of life is what happens to you. The other 90% is how you interpret and respond to it. Your reaction defines your world more than events ever could. Chapter 7: Memory, your personal fiction writer. Your memories aren't stored facts. They're stories your brain rewrites every time you recall them. Your past isn't fixed, it's flexible. Chapter 8: The 80/20 Life Principle. Most of your happiness comes from a few small, meaningful moments. Protect them, multiply them, build your life around them. Chapter 9: Habit Loops. What you do repeatedly becomes who you are. If you want to change your identity, start with your daily loop. Chapter 10: The Compound Effect Secret. Tiny, consistent actions repeated every day shape life beyond imagination. Real growth happens quietly, but its results echo forever. Your dreams are not just destinations. They're mirrors reflecting the person you're becoming. So live with intention, grow with patience, and remember, your mind is your most powerful tool. Narrated by InspireSticky. Real stories, real lessons, endless growth.